Hi, welcome back to another video. Going to do a gel polish set today, and I've popped some tips into my flexi hand and I've given them a buff off, and then I've applied some Madam Glam base coat. So that's gone in the lamp for 30 seconds. We're going to do a really nice easy set, what is very achievable by anybody. So first of all, I've pulled out a Madam Glam colour which is called Kiss on the Cheek. It's a really bright, vibrant orange. So I'm going to pop 2 coats on and cure them for 30 seconds. Okie dokie, I've done the second coat off camera just to speed it up a little bit. So we are going to just pop some no wipe top coat onto those nails just to lock in that colour, and I want to put some pigment on as well, or chrome, whatever you want to call it. So that's going to go in the lamp for about 20-25 seconds. So it's not fully cured. I'm just going to pop some of that chrome over the top, and then I do actually pop it back in to fully cure. Okay, once that pigment's all across all of the nails, I'm just going to lock that in again with some top coat. So they'll go in the lamp for 30 seconds. And then I'm going to pop a layer of matte top coat over them and pop them back in the lamp again. Okay, I've got out a little palette and a detail brush, and I've popped some of Aimeili's black on that little palette. So that's 007, and as you can see by the middle finger, I'm just going to go around the cuticle as close as I can, and then just bring that. It doesn't have to be a straight line because we're going to add to it anyway. So yeah, you can just do the line squiggly across and then fill in that space. I just think until you know that you're going to do what you're going to do underneath it, you can still add bits to it. But what I did was I cured that, gave it a full cure so it didn't go anywhere. And then we're going to go in and do, because they're like butterfly wings, we're going to do all the black markings on the wing. I was making it up as I went along. I had no idea what I was doing. But I've seen quite a few sets of these nails about, so I thought I'd give them a go. See, as you can see, I'm just filling that gap in there. And then just extending that little black bit in the middle, and then that bit doing a little point. I'll bring that bit down at the side a bit more. Nice and easy. So that one will get cured eventually. Come on, stop fapping. There you go. So on to the next one. We're going to do the same on each of them, so it's quite repetitive. I will let you just watch this little bit. Okie dokie. Now all the black bits are done and fully cured, I'm going to go in with a little bit of white from Aimeili, which is 011. I've got 3 different sized dotting tools that I'm going to be using. So I'm going to be using sort of like a tiny dotting tool, which I'm using now. It does really tiny pinpoint dots. And then I've got another 2 which you've seen on the table, desk rather, not table. So we're just going to fill that in with loads of white dots wherever we can. And I do cure, because what I don't want to do is knock it with my hand. I was so clumsy when I was recording. Oh, in one of my other videos, not in this one, I actually dropped a nail on a post on one of my like tip stands. I dropped it and I was like, oh no. Luckily enough, when I picked it up, it was still the same, and I thought, thank God for that. Thought I was gonna have to start all again. But you'll see that in another video. It was just one of them days. So this is quite repetitive as well. It is. While I'm on here, don't forget I've got loads of discount codes. I will leave them at the end of the video after the photos. And oh, let me just say, as you can see, I've brought that black bit at the top of the cuticle down quite far on the ring finger. I've got to do it slightly differently and bring it down. Just made it look different to the other ones a little bit, not a lot, but a little bit. Right, as I was saying, I'm going to leave Madame Glam's discount code on the screen as well. Please do take advantage of it. It gives you 30% off any of the gels on there. Absolutely brilliant. So yeah, I can't fault them. Please do go over and have a look. It might be also worth definitely signing up for their VIP. So go and have a look at that. It's brilliant. Really good value for money. It is. Right, all that's left to do now is top coat these. I nearly said bad boys then. I don't know why. Yeah, so we're going to top coat. That is with Madame Glam, and that is, it leaves a tacky layer, so you have to wipe it off with some gel residue wipe off solution, which then leaves them nice and shiny. Yeah, I'll leave you some photos at the end. I hope you like them. Please do have a go at doing them. They're so easy to do, time consuming but easy. So yeah, have a go. Tag me in it if you do. So I will leave you in peace to watch the rest. And if you like my video, please do give me a thumbs up. Every little helps. And if you would subscribe, I would be eternally grateful. And don't forget to click the notification bell, then you'll never miss an upload. And I'm going to leave you in peace. Thank you for watching, everyone. Bye.